Picture this. You're sitting at a red light somewhere in downtown Chicago. The sky is steel gray. Everybody's moving fast, minding their own business, and then you hear it. A deep, mechanical thunder rolling up from behind. People turn, jaws drop, because pulling up next to them is something Harley-Davidson has never dared to build before. The 2026 CVO Street Glide Street, wrapped in a commanding military olive finish. And it is absolutely, undeniably, 100% untamed. Let's get right into the engine, because that's where this machine earns its reputation before you ever leave the driveway. Sitting between those frame rails is the Milwaukee-Eight 121 high-output motor. 1,997 cubic centimeters of liquid-cooled, fuel-injected American Fury. At 5,020 RPM, the ST pumps out 126 horsepower. At 3,750 RPM, torque smashes through at 142 pound-feet. That's not touring numbers, those are numbers that embarrass sport bikes at stoplight poles. A heavy breather performance intake feeds massive airflow directly into the combustion chambers, and Screamin Eagle titanium mufflers exhale with a sound so authoritative, so distinctly Harley, your neighbors will know you left before you even hit the end of the block. An exclusive low final drive ratio amplifies mid-range response, turning every throttle input into instant, addictive acceleration. This powertrain doesn't cruise, it hunts. Now let's talk about what drew every set of eyes in that intersection, the finish. Harley rolled out two exclusive CVO colorways for the Saint, and the Inferno Gray is the one that channels that deep, smoky olive military energy riders across America are absolutely losing their minds over. Dark trim runs throughout. Gloss black 7-spoke cast wheels engineered specifically to cut unsprung weight for sharper suspension response, carbon fiber front fender, carbon seat cowl, carbon muffler end caps, and carbon tanked console. Every surface tells the same story. This machine was built to perform, not just impress. The performance red powertrain accents pop against all that darkness like a war medal on a dress uniform. This colorway doesn't whisper, it commands. The chassis backs up every visual promise. Up front, fully adjustable 47mm inverted SHOWA forks deliver precision feedback through every canyon curve and city crack. At the rear, remote reservoir SHOWA shocks with compression, damping, and rebound adjustability keep the back end planted whether you're solo or loaded up. Brembo wave-style floating front rotors with 4-piston fixed calipers deliver braking power sharp enough to inspire genuine confidence at triple-digit speeds. And with 8 selectable ride modes, road, rain, sport, 2 custom configurations, plus the exclusive Track and Track Plus settings, the ST transforms completely based on how far you're willing to push it. Cornering aware ABS, traction control, drag torque slip control, and link braking all work together invisibly. The technology doesn't get in the way. It just keeps you alive while you enjoy every second. Inside that reshaped batwing fairing, a 12.3-inch Skyline OS touchscreen runs wireless Apple CarPlay, turn-by-turn navigation, and over-the-air updates. Premium audio fills the highway. USB-C charging keeps your devices alive. Performance Fuse handlebars sit 1.6 inches wider and 2 inches taller than standard, nailing that aggressive club-style stance that makes every photograph look like a magazine cover. The price of admission, $44,999 MSRP plus $895 destination. For a factory-built, track-capable, carbon-trimmed, Brembo-equipped performance bagger, that number is not outrageous. That number is earned. The 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide ST isn't chasing anyone. Drop a comment below. Are you riding